No, good afternoon. So I'm just curious if you're still aiming to maybe compete in F1 one day. Is that also one of your goals?
That's a Sorry, what was your question again?
Yeah, you still dream of competing one day in F1?
Yeah, for sure. That's just a huge dream of mine since I was a kid. But there's a lot of different alternatives that are very high level levels of racing that I would love to compete in.
And do you think some of your qualities as an athlete, what do you think are the qualities as a racer, as an athlete, will translate into pursuing showbiz?
Just my determination and drive for what I want. If I want something, I usually try very, very hard to get it.
I'm just curious, like, as a karter, as a racer, what's the routine like? Like, how do you train? Can you just give us a glimpse of what you do?
Yeah, so I usually would, the most trainings, I would go from Thursday until Sunday from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. just traveling laps around the track.
Where do you?
Or nanonood siguro.
Yeah, where do you?
Yeah, and there's a track in Palawan,
Pag ganun pag-add,
Carmona,
medyo-
but I usually go to the one in Carmona.
Right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alan. And then, I think, meron pa po ba? Anyone? For the last question, your salve assays of Filipino Star NPM.
Ay, pwedeng kay Neil na lang para at least malaman natin kung anong mga plano niya for Ariel.
Para siya discover.
Oh.
Okay, calling Neil De Guia.
Nagtago sa karting.
Gusto ko si Neil.
Nagtago sa pro.
Kwento mo paano mo na-discover, mga alta mo na friends.
Na-discover ko siya through the top-artist of Jay, si Julie Takuban. Client niya kasama, which is also into sport ang mom niya. But then, matagal ang pilitan bago siya pumayag mag-artista. I think it took years bago pumayag until finally last 2 weeks ago, tinawagan ako ng jury. Okay na raw, gusto na raw mag-artista. Basta nag-isip na lang siya, gusto na niya mag-artista. Yun na yun.
So wala siyang relative
Regarding my plans naman, well, may mag-start muna kami ng modeling, commercials, yan, product endorsements, yan, acting workshops. Meron ng tumawag na network sa amin, pero kailangan soon mag-meeting na kami actually.
So anong channel yun?
Secret. Kasi kung ipili pa, we're open for sa ibang network, pero may unang-una nang tumawag sa akin.
Hindi naman niya
Pinost ko kasi siya sa Facebook. Yeah. Yan lang.
Okay, thank you.
Neil, may lang ba sa'yo na magkaroon siya ng alam?
Yeah.
At sino yun?
Sino
Kasi
yun?
yung talent ko si Jay Cuenca, choice nila na ayaw na ng Michael Love. Yun. So ako naman, I'm open. As a manager, kung anong ako mas gusto ko may love team. Mas gusto ko.
Kumakanta rin daw po siya.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kumakanta siya.
Sampo.
Oh my
Sampo.
God.
Sample lang.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yeah.
Any song? Any song?
Sobrang ko tuloy. Chorus
Off
part.
my head.
R&B, sabi nga.
Any of your favorite
Yun
songs?
lang yung pinapakinggan pag nag-work.
I can't think of a song.
Jaon.
Yeah.
Pagdahan na
Next time, I'll be ready.
Lalabas yung single.
Yeah. Ako may question lang ako kasi di ba, you're studying then international.
Currently, right now, I'm homeschooled kasi I'm trying to.
Because of mga competition,
Yes.
I see. So, kumusta yung reception ng mga friends mo? Sure.
Yeah.
Na you're going showcase.
They're supportive naman. It's a bit. I want to get big first, and then I'll tell them fully about it.
Okay.
Iba-iba
Oo,
nga yung
yeah,
face
siya.
siya.
Oh, okay na. Who else? Wala na ba? Ano po ha? Open siya for one-on-one or group interview after
Yes,
this?
yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, Neil, nabanggit sa akin ni Neil kanina na ano daw. Nakita din niya kay Arion, yung nagsisimula pa lang si Jake Cuenca. Bakit mo nasabi yun, Neil?
Actually, nung na-discover ko si Jake, he's 12 years old, pero nag-start sa showbiz. Same age. Ganyan din, same height. Tumangkad na lang siya dahil bata pa kasi siya nun. Then, yun, wala rin alam sa Tagalog. Yun, tapos gusto niya talaga mag-artista, gusto niya sumikat. Kaya, nag-pursue siya matuto mag-Tagalog. So, nag-start siya sa GMA muna sa bago nag-ABS. So, 3 years in GMA, then pinirate siya ng ABS after 3 years.
Pirate talaga. Oh, ayan ha. Pirate talaga. Anyway, si Arion, nagawa ka naman ng mga Tagalog. May mga Tagalog lesson ka na ba?
Yeah, I'm learning by the day, so it'll be soon. I'll speak Tagalog fluently.
Oh, in fairness. O sige.
Workshop.
Workshop. Ang acting workshop.
Yes.
How about joining PBB? Are you okay with that? Or-
PBB?
Yeah.
I'll probably take some time and thought to make a decision on it, but I'm open to it.
Nice. Okay, thank you so much.